Okay, welcome to a little guide on linear bearings and rotation and stuff. Okay, so first I want to show you where I have put in two stacked LM8 UU bearings here, and there is no play in that at all. You can see the rod is bent. It is very important to notice the rod is actually bending, but there is no wobble in the actual bearings themselves. By contrast, on this side I have an LM8 LUU, and that is, I don't know if you can hear that, but it is clearly wobbling about. So what I'm going to do is replace that, if I can find the 3mm Allen key. Where have I put the Allen key? It's the usual search for tools. Not that one. This one. There we go. And this is the sand rod and a big jobby to push it out. Now what I'm going to do is put in one of these, but I don't actually have a second LM8 UU, so I'm just going to put in an LM8 LUU at the bottom, sticking up a little bit, and we will see what effect this has. Let's get one of these LM8 LUUs. I'll just show you. I don't know what it is about these things. Can you hear that rattle? That's truly dreadful. I might as well just throw this freaking thing away. That's really rather annoying. There's a second one. Wherever I bought these from, for goodness, whatever you do, please, for goodness sake, check your bearings, the source of your bearings. I think. And now that's in, and yeah, that's tolerable. That's going to be okay, which is fantastic. So yes, there's wobble in the plastic. Actually, there is still let me tighten it up, because it relies on the relies on this clamping in. That unfortunately is bending on this thing, but that's okay. I don't mind that. Let's have a look at that. That's all right. We'll get away with that. So there we go. Replacing making sure you have decent bearings. Knobhead Chris Palmer says you should have a machine tolerance on the rods should be H6. Apparently that's what you're looking for. It really does make a difference. I mean, there's these LM8, these lower quality LM8 UUs. They're 0.2 millimeters of play, all right, which means that at the top and the bottom there'll be 0.2 millimeters, which means, although sideways you would get 0.2 there, you could get up to 0.4 plus or minus if you go like that or like that, which is completely useless for things. So please, for goodness sake, make sure you get a decent source of bearings and rods. Thank you.